Sandy Martin Photography out here at Mulrennan Middle School. This is the old Mulrennan farm. They're out here doing some renovation in the parking lot to relieve the traffic. It's been going on for a while. Today they took down this big tree. I was able to talk to the tree trimmer. I don't know if you call this tree trimming, but the tree team that was out here, and he estimates this tree to be over 250 years old. This old tree, if it could tell stories, there's no telling what we would learn. There's many years of history. Been around since the 1700s and has sat on this corner for all these years, weathered all the storms, the rain, the wind, the sun. If our roots were as deep as this tree, we'd all be as solid as it was. Today is the last day of this tree's life, and it's about to be hauled off. Here's another tree of life going down in history.